Good morning. I'm Dr. Yasser Saeedi. I'm the Vice President of Emirates Urology Society. I would like to welcome you to our 13th version of the International Urology Conference of the Emirates Society, which is in Dubai Marina. We had a great 3 days conference with a session for hands-on for our residents and the specialists on the latest new technologies and procedures. Adding to that, state-of-art updating our urologists in the country and in the region about the latest advances in urology through a 3-day program, which included a lot of sub-specialties and topics. Welcome everyone to the 13th Emirates Urology Conference. Thank you.